Từ vựng PRE-IELTS chủ đề công nghệ phần 1.
Computer age. The period in modern history characterized by the development and widespread use of computers. Living in a computer age has both many benefits and problems. Computer buff. A user who is very enthusiastic about computers. Tom is a computer buff, so when my laptop has problems I ask him for help. Desktop PC. A personal computer that remains on a desk and it is designed to be used by one person at home or in an office. My laptop is not detecting AV Arduino but my desktop PC does. Gadget. A small device or machine that has a particular purpose, like a smartphone. The most important gadget for me is a laptop.
Hẹn gặp các bạn vào những chủ đề sau nhé.